So Book of Meme, also known as Bome, has been absolutely going crazy. We have created a video on that in the past yesterday, and thank you guys for showing so much love to that video. And we're gonna be going over what new things that Bome has seen. Now, last time we made a video on Bome, it was up around 1000%. At the time of recording this video, it's nearing 2000%. So it has almost doubled since the last time we created this video. So in this video, we're just going to be taking another look at Bome. Now there is some new news about Bome also that we're going to be talking about. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button. Drop a comment down below on what other content you guys want to see, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So now we are over at our screen, and if we just take a look at the market right now, market is currently down, currently at 2.54 trillion, down almost 4.5% in just the past day. But if we look at our trending coins, Book of Meme, also known as Bome, is still trending on top, currently up 135% in just the past 24 hours, where the rest of the market is in the red. As you can see, all of these cryptocurrencies are on the red in the past 24 hours. Bitcoin down 4, Ethereum down 4.5, but Book of Meme has been up 135%. So let's click on this, take a look what's going on with Bome. Current price at around 0.01898, so still up around 110% in just the past 24 hours. And the last time we looked at this, I would assume it was around here that we looked at this coin and we created a video. It was at 0.011, and basically now it has more than doubled. As you can see, it went more than triple actually. It went to around 0.028, so absolutely crazy, 2.5x in just one day. Market cap around $1.1 billion, volume at around $4.6 billion. So this coin is really hyped right now. There seems to be a lot of trading going on with Book of Meme, and if we can see, there is a lot of whale activity also, because most of the new coins, these are meme coins, there is some whale activity to manipulate the prices of these coins. As you can see, whale buy alert, 9.5 million Bome, nearing around 179,000 USD, bought at 0.018. So around right here is when they bought it, and that caused the price to go up even more. A lot of bullish momentum right here. More 10 million Bome purchased, so a lot of whale activity also going on, moving this price to even higher numbers. As you can see, $4.6 billion volume, also up around 200% from yesterday. Our low was just the first couple hours of this day, so we went as low as 0.007, but we went also as high as 0.028, so almost 3x in just one single day. More than, I think, 4x actually, because 7 times 4 is 28. So basically, yeah, 4x in just a couple hours. Absolutely crazy numbers. If we head to the 7-day, we can see not this isn't a complete 7-day chart, because it hasn't even been 7 days that Bome has been listed, and as you can see, it is now nearing 2000% in just these past couple of days. I think around 3 days, past 3 days, it even went higher. So if we look at our highest point, it was at around 0.028. So let's take a look at this on TradingView, and let's just calculate how much our lowest to highest point was. So take the ruler tool, going from around here to here, we were up almost around 6,000%. Absolutely mind blowing numbers. As you can see, we're looking at live on TradingView. I am not making any of this up. We just took a ruler tool and we just measured what has been happening with Bome from the lowest point right here on 15th March. I think this is not even when it got listed, but from here to on our highest point, we were at around 5,900%, and currently we are 4,000% up from the lowest point of 15 March. I think is when it got listed, 15th of March, 2 a.m. and it was basically around here, 15 March, 2 a.m. So I think coin market seems to be a bit off in terms of percent changes, but even at the current price, we are up around 2,000%, and this is nowhere near the highest. We have come down almost 1 cent from our highest point. So basically, a lot of difference has been made. At least $3,000 to $4,000 of 3,000 to 4,000% of movement in the past 7 days has happened. Not even a full 7 days, as you can see. Absolute bonkers. So Book of Meme is a very booming cryptocurrency right now. Very uptrending, a lot of whale action. So many people are bullish on this coin, and as you can see, people are speculating prices up to $1, the first ever meme coin to hit that price. And also there's some new news that Book of Meme has gotten listed on Binance. So these exchange lists absolutely drive the price of these cryptocurrency crazy. So this is one of the main reasons why the price has gone even higher from the last time we looked at it. So absolutely crazy things going on, and there just seems to be a lot of bullish predictions on Book of Meme. So it is absolutely going crazy right now. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we talked about how Book of Meme, also known as Bome, is also going bonkers right now, having absolutely crazy numbers. Even at the current price, it is up 2,000% from its lowest point, and it has gone even higher just in the past couple of days. We have seen it hit around 0.028, and that's basically our highest we ever hit, and that is really a long way from our lowest point. Almost, I would say, 3,000 to 4,000%. Absolutely crazy numbers. The last time we looked at it, it was at around 1,000%. Now it reached all the way up to 4,500%, 4,000, 5,000% even. So absolutely crazy numbers. So that was it about this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily live streams on this channel. I do talking about any recent crypto updates like this one. We keep you guys updated on the daily market, so do make sure to tune in daily on that live stream. And I also create long form content like this, keeping you guys updated about any new cryptocurrency booming, any recent updates on these cryptocurrencies. So do make sure to check out my long form content like this as well. So that was about it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.